Hello everyone. So this is day 7 of our challenge and I actually can't believe that I completed the challenge. So I'm so happy about it. So today's no words. I just wanted to share my experience throughout this whole challenge for the 7 days. I have um, took challenge if somebody who's watching first time my video. So this is I have took a challenge for 7 days to speak English with using 5 new words just to improve my fluency and my practicing. So I think in this 7 days I have improved a lot, as you have seen. Like in my first video, my eye contact with the camera is like very not much stable, but now I can properly talk to camera. Like, yeah, my confidence also has improved. Like, I don't have to think too much before saying anything. It's like automatically words coming up in my mind, and I'm just saying in front of the camera. There's no script in my video, so it's just heart to heart communication is like that. So you know what, first I thought that what would I, as a person, like seriously, honestly, I thought that what would people might judge me and tell me like what I do, and this is kind of thought that I had. I'm a overthinker. Like, yeah, I overthink unnecessary things, seriously. But still, and I'm happy that I have not waited for the perfect time to start this challenge, and I started it, and now see, I have completed it. I thought I can be consistent and all that, but look at now, I have completed the challenges. In this challenge taught me a lot of things. Most important thing in English, you have to be practice every day. And this is the challenge that I have took, and you have seen improving a lot. And I can now normally speak in front of the camera. Like, yeah, okay, there's no much hard thing for me now. And also I want to tell you that if you want to be like improve your English as if you are a beginner and all that, just try to speak. Don't wait to learn vocabulary, grammar, and all that. Just start. When you're sitting alone, just don't wait for the external environment that you want, that people around me don't speak English, how would I learn it and all that. You don't need external environment to learn English and to improve your English. What you need to do is start watching movies. Start, if you listen to Hindi songs, Punjabi songs, switch to English songs, switch to English dubbing movies. These are the things that improve your listening skills, and started learning words from it. Then try to speak when you're alone, when you're sitting alone in your room. Just talk to yourself when there's nobody watching. Okay, don't do this in front of someone. When you're sitting alone, just start to speak to yourself. Like anything, you can talk to yourself anything. Like, who cares? What you need is practice. Everyday practice is important. And I'm so happy about this challenge. And first I thought that this whole challenge nobody will see and all that, but in one video people commented, and that motivated me a lot, see, honestly. And I didn't thought that people might watch me and comment on my videos. And yeah, so my subscriber is like 2 to 12, and that's a huge thing for me, honestly. If for you maybe it's 12 subscribers nothing, but for me it's a very big thing. Even 12 subscribers are very big thing for me, and I hope I continue doing it. Now I'm looking for something different. Like, what should I make next? I have completed this challenge, and I want to do something next. So just tell me in the comment box if you have any kind of suggestions that what should I do next. Should I experiment something different with, like, even with English? Or yeah, I have started reading books. So I have read these books like till now, the 5 books. I'm just a beginner, okay? So if you want the summaries of this, I can even make summaries of these books that I have read now, till now. Just comment in the comment box, so I would make something like this. So thank you for the love and support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.